Meet John, an IT professional living in Covina. A few weeks ago, the motherboard of his laptop got damaged. He visited the local computer repair store near his house, but their technicians could not fix his laptop. Later, he went to several other computer repairing shops, but all in vain. When he lost all hope, his friend Alice came to his rescue. Alice told him to visit the showroom of iTech Xpress, the best computer repairing store in Covina. John immediately took his laptop to the repair center of iTech Xpress. Within 24 hours, their technicians repair the motherboard of his laptop at a very competitive price. Like John, do you want to fix the problems of your laptops or computers at affordable prices? If so, visit the full-service repair shop of iTech Xpress in Covina. For any query, call them at this number 866-341-7192. Visit their website at itechexpressing.com for more information.